just talking about, especially kids
I'm calling the meeting of the Board of Public Safety to order. It is July 28th, 2026, 9 a.m. Nancy, may we please have a roll call?
Good morning and thank you. We have 3 members present in the council chambers this morning. Daisy Davis,
Here.
Tessa Barnes,
Here.
Tim Reeser.
Here.
2 of our members are absent today, Laisha Black and Anthony Coleman, but we are a quorum. Thank you, board.
We have an amendment to our agenda. We need to add the memorandum regarding the Crossroads ambulance contract to the agenda. I would entertain a motion to approve the agenda with today's amendment of the Crossroads ambulance contract. Item 6 for the fire department.
I move that we add Crossroads ambulance contract 113021 to the agenda and approve the agenda as presented.
Second.
Great. Can I have a vote? Aye.
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 The next item is to approve the minutes from the regular meeting for the July 14th, 2026. Go ahead.
I move that we approve the meeting from July 14th, 2026 and place it on file.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. We have the next item is the claim and allowance docket. And that docket, let's see what we got here. The docket includes claims in the amount of $138,523.63 as listed on the register attached, consisting of 6 pages. And that was presented on July 22nd, 2026 at 1:46 p.m. Do I have a motion to accept those and place on record?
I move that we accept the claim and allowance docket in amount of $138,523.63, consisting of 6 pages from 7/22/26 at 1:46 p.m.
Second.
Okay, can I get a vote on that? Everybody in favor? All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? None. Okay. That has been approved, and we will put that on record. The next item is for the police department. Chief, you going to join us here?
Good morning, Andy Whitmire, Interim Chief of the Police Department here in Elkhart City. We have just a few items on the agenda today. The first one is a notification of a work assignment or work change of assignment is that Patrolman Ragsdale and Patrolman Brenneman have returned from administrative duty as of July 13th and have returned to full duty within the patrol division. So we wanted to let you know that they had returned to work.
Okay. Can I entertain a motion to approve, is it private patrol, was it patrol officer Nicholas?
Patrolman.
Patrolman Nicholas Ragsdale to be taken off administrative leave and return to full duty on watch starting Monday, July 13, 2026.
So moved.
Second.
Okay. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? All right. Motion is passed. The next item on the agenda for you is the ACP
Madam Chair.
I did what?
Yeah. We need to vote on, Patrolman Brenneman coming back as well.
Oh,
Madam Chair, I move that we approve Thomas Brenneman to be taken off paid administrative leave and return to full duty on Watch 3 starting Monday, July 13th, 2026.
We need a second.
He didn't call for the motion.
I didn't call for the motion either. Okay, I need a motion.
I just made the motion.
Yes, she made the motion. We need the second.
Second.
Okay. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. None opposed. Motion passed. Okay.
All right, the next thing on the agenda for the police department is a contract with ACP Entertainment. It is reference their service where they provide inflatables such as bounce houses and inflatable slides for our upcoming law enforcement night out. The contract has been looked at and reviewed by legal, is pending some changes. So we'd like you to approve it, knowing that there will be some changes on the back end once legal approves it.
Okay. Can I get a motion to approve the ACP Entertainment vendor for inflatables for a night out against crime on August 4th with a cost not to exceed $4,238.26, also based on approval by legal.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, motion passed.
And the last thing is a notification reference where those inflatables will be used, which will be August 4th at the National Night Out over at Studebaker Park. It'll be from 5 to 7 p.m. It's where law enforcement has the opportunity to invite the community out to kind of speak with and see all the divisions. We'll bring out the boats, all the stuff from the tactical teams, CID, a bunch of representatives from different specialties within law enforcement, and allow the community to come out and enjoy snacks, hot dogs, slushies, games, prizes, and bounce houses and inflatable slides. So we'd appreciate if you guys could come if you could make it. It's always an enjoyable time.
Okay.
I've got a question. This might be for legal. The use of bounce houses, has that been allowed, or is this only for a special circumstance? I know that we've denied bounce houses in public parks before. I don't mean to put you on the spot, but just...
So I think the situation with bounce houses has to do with two things: insurance on the one side, and that they are properly, like in the parks, they can't tether them down, so they have to bring like gallon jugs of water to tie them down to, so that they're a company that properly ties their bounce houses down and is aware of the weather. So this particular company is, to my understanding. I think we've used them in the past.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Chief, I have a question too. Do you guys need volunteers?
I think we could always use volunteers. I would have to refer to Wayne Bias, who coordinates a lot of this, to see exactly when and where and in what capacity. But we always appreciate volunteers in events like this. It's a chance to volunteer and help, but also kind of enjoy it at the same time.
Can you have him reach out? I wouldn't mind volunteering to help.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yep.
And one last question. Is this your first year at Studebaker, or when did you guys relocate from Central Park to Studebaker?
It's either our first or second year, because it's always typically been downtown. I believe last year they did it at Studebaker, so this may be our second year.
Okay. And did you do that to be closer to the community, or what was the purpose of relocating?
Sometimes the years run together. When I asked about it or heard about it before, it puts it more in a neighborhood setting where people are able to walk on foot or travel to it more easily. That's
Okay.
my understanding of that.
Thank you.
Okay, so I will entertain a motion to approve the National Night Out on August 4th, 2026 from 5 to 7 at Studebaker Park in Elkhart.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. We just had discussion on it, but is there discussion from the public regarding this matter? Nope. All right, next item. The next item would be the fire department. Thank you, Chief. Is there anyone here from the fire department? No. Well, do I table?
I move that we table it until the end of the meeting because they might be running late.
Well, we have a motion. Well, we have a motion on the table to table it until the end of the meeting. Do I have a second?
Second.
All right, all in favor?
Aye.
We do not have anything on the agenda for the communications center. We also don't have anything on the agenda for the building and code enforcement, so we will move to other public safety matters. The Police Merit Commission minutes. Do we have a motion to approve those minutes?
I move to approve the Police Merit Commission meeting minutes from Monday, June 22nd, 2026, and place them on file.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
The motion passes. We have, the next item is the request quote number 2602 for the purchase of one Ford Expedition for the Elkhart Police Department. Oh, hi.
Hi, good morning, Board. Josh Holt, Central Garage. This is to replace the unit that we had Ford buy back last year. And with the proceeds from that repurchase, when they purchased it from us to get it back, that money will go towards a new unit. So it's just a replacement, basically.
Do I have a motion to approve the 2602 request for permission to accept quotes to replace the Ford Expedition for the Elkhart Police Department?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? None, right?
Thank you, Board.
Okay, that motion's been accepted.
If fire doesn't come here, oh, he is? Because I can speak to the Vector Solutions. I don't know all the details, but I know what it is. When they were looking at this company, they had me sit in on their meetings. As far as the price, I don't know, but, okay. Thank you, sorry.
Okay, should we? One more matter. Yes.
Good morning, Board. Rose Rivera with Legal.
Good morning.
So we were scheduled for a hearing this morning for Tyler Keppel, who had been notified that he was going to be placed on admin leave effective today. We received notice from his attorney yesterday that he had a conflict and wasn't able to make it this morning. He hasn't yet gotten back to me with dates, but we're looking to reschedule that as soon as possible. So if you could just have that on your radar, that'd be great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I would entertain a motion to postpone to a future date the hearing for Officer Tyler Coppell.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, so, yeah, I was going to say let's take a brief recess while we're waiting on Chief Dale. Okay. 10 minutes? Okay, we are going to call the Board of Public Safety meeting back to order. Go- Okay, so I need to make a motion to take the items for the fire department off, put them back on the table. Take them off the table for consideration.
So moved.
Second.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, got it. All right. Good morning, Chief.
Good morning, everyone, and sorry, we were in a pretty intense meeting over there, so. Okay, first thing I got before you, I'm requesting or asking that you guys approve the check-it module for Vector Solutions. Just in a nutshell, it keeps track of everything that we do. From checking rigs to documenting what's going on throughout the day. Electronic documentations of station apparatus, equipment inspections, standardized checklists to ensure consistency across all shifts and stations, improved accountability through documentation of completed assignments and inspections, enhanced reporting capabilities for supervisors and administrative staff, reduced reliance on paper and manual record keeping, improved documentation to support accreditation efforts, audits, compliance requirements, and liability protection, seamless integration with the department's existing Vector Solutions platform, eliminated duplicate data entry, and improving operational efficiency.
Okay, I entertain a motion to,
Got a couple questions.
well, we need to do the motion first.
Okay.
So I'll entertain a motion to approve the check-in module for Vector Solutions.
So moved.
Second.
Okay, any discussions, any questions?
Chief, this is a renewal that starts on January 1st of 2027. Is this contract price, did that increase from calendar year of 2026?
You mean the price of it?
Yeah, the $43,076.60, did that go up from this year?
That I am not sure of. I'll have to get that answer for you. I do know that it's replacing our Operative IQ. And doing this is cheaper than the Operative IQ, and it gives us less duplication in services. So even if there's an initial $43,000 hit, it's going to take care of itself over the period of the contract.
Well, it says it's a renewal, so you guys are already utilizing the software?
Yes, we already use Vector Solutions, but we also were using an Operative IQ portion of it, which will no longer be used.
Okay, so you're dropping part of it?
Correct.
Okay. And this has been approved by IT department as well? Okay, thank you.
That's what I was just about to ask, if I needed to revise the motion to have the chief sign. Okay, so I would like to revise that motion to approve the request for the check-in module for Vector Solutions with the authorization for Chief Dale to sign in the amount. Where is the amount? Thank you. Okay, not to exceed $43,076.60.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
It has been approved.
Okay, next thing we got is the agreement with with the Elkhart Community Schools. With the attached memorandum understanding between the City of Elkhart and Elkhart Community Schools, in the event of an emergency requiring evacuation of the Elkhart Freshman Academy, the designated evacuation site will be the City of Elkhart Fire Department Central Fire Station located at 500 East Street. Just request that you guys approve the contract.
Okay, can I get a motion?
So moved.
Second.
Any questions? I said, are there any questions?
Can you repeat the motion, please?
The motion, who made the motion? You made the motion. You want to repeat the motion? I guess I can. repeat
Was
the motion.
to approve the memorandum of understanding between the City of Elkhart School Corporation and the city, or the Elkhart Community School Corp. and the City of Elkhart to authorize the board vice chair to sign on the board's behalf.
No questions?
I do have,
Okay, go ahead.
sorry.
Go ahead, Tim. No.
The freshman division is quite large.
Yeah.
Your fire station is not.
The freshman division itself is quite large. The amount of students in there are not.
So,
Why the Elkhart Community Schools are having some issues, but yes, there is enough room, there's enough capacity. We could hold over 1,000 people in Central Fire Station.
okay, so you'll be able to accommodate the whole building of the freshman division in the event that you need to?
Correct.
Okay. And then are we requiring the school corporation to supply insurance to us in the event that we need it? I know the contract states that they'll be responsible for any damage or replacement. But are we requiring them to submit their liability insurance to us as well?
Kevin Davis, City Legal, we can. It's not, I mean, it's not a point of contention because we have that. And we also have the school resource MOU as well. So we'll have our certificate of liability insurance listing the city as an additional insured.
Thank you.
And then just another quick question. This is just a point of order. Is Daisy allowed to vote on this with
I
her
am.
position on the school board?
I am. I voted on other issues. I don't ever make the motion, but I can vote.
Because she's voted on the school resource MOU, the school resource officer MOU.
Yes.
She's voted on since she's been on the board.
Okay. I just want to make sure that with us only 3 up here, that it would be legally standing.
Are there any more questions? Any questions from, okay. We already have the motion. Let's take a vote. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. And none opposed? The motion is granted.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Next up, we have a new ambulance. Attached to this communication, you will find the contract associated with the purchase of one 2026 Type 1 Titan 170 PL custom ambulance for the Elkhart Fire Department, 113021 source well contract. The price of the apparatus is $552,991. Once the Crossroads Ambulance Agreement and contract has been reviewed and approved by the Board of Public Safety, subject to approval by legal, the Board of Safety will authorize the Elkhart Fire Department or Assistant Chief to sign and submit the agreement on the behalf of the city. So if you guys approve this, we can move forward.
Do I have a motion?
So moved.
Second.
Does it have to be read out? Yeah, it has to be read. It has to be read out. Okay, so the motion needs to include Crossroads ambulance contract to the 2026 Type 1 Titan 170 PL custom ambulance for the Elkhart Fire Department. And yeah, Sourcewell contract, the price not to exceed $552,991. And to approve the signature by the Assistant Chief or the Elkhart Department Chief, Dale, and it all pending the approval of legal.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, motion granted.
All right, thanks. All right, thanks, guys.
So the next is public participation. Do I have any comments from the public? I hear none. I see none. I will entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
All right, the meeting is adjourned.